Hello, hello. Welcome. We're on day 15. My voice is almost back to normal. Tiny bit of a croak, but we're almost back to normal. So that's good. Yay. Yay me. So we're on day 15. So we're 2/3 of the way there, I think. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for sticking with me. And I'm sorry, the crinkling, when I edit the videos, the crinkling's so loud. So I do apologise. But I don't have fancy editing software where I can single out noises or anything like that. So we have, look at this. I hope the camera is picking, oh, we have a buddy. I hope the camera is picking up just how red that is. I know you can't feel how fluffy that is, but it is super soft and fluffy. And I think Philippa said this is Norwegian merino. Super, super soft and fluffy. And I think most of you that are watching watch Philippa, but for the ones of you that don't, I wonder if you can tell what we're going to make, because I think woodland themed, I think it should be pretty obvious what we're going to be doing. I'm going to try and make mine a little bit smaller because everything else on my wreath has ended up huge. So I think it might be better if I make mine a little bit smaller to compensate for all my huge animals. So let's get going. wasn't really much to these. They were only little, and I've done 2 medium ones. I said I was going to try and do them smaller. They didn't end up smaller. The tops are about 1.5, but I did an itty bitty one, and I'm going to do a couple more. But the itty bitty one, I thought could sit like this. I just thought that was cute. So, but the amount of times I stabbed myself, I didn't film the itty bitty one because, yeah, I've got that many stabs and bloodshed from the itty bitty. It's unbelievable. And I couldn't use my finger guards because I just couldn't see him when I use the finger guards. It just disappeared into like the leather, so I had to take them off and just go with the stabs. So he hasn't got any blood on him, I don't think. So there's my mushrooms, my toadstools or mushrooms, whatever you want to call them. I'll do a few more. Yeah, so that's day 15, and hopefully the next day won't be so painful. But they're cute. I think they're sweet. And Phyllis says we're not putting them together until I've put this one together because it was so painful. But yeah, we're not putting them together until we put them on the wreath. So I went for sort of only a few spots on the top, although I think this one's a bit big and could do with a few more. I just wanted to vary the pattern, and then on the others I'll probably do a few more just to be a bit different. Yeah, so there we go, and this will probably just be a short little video, and then we'll go on to the next day. So take care everyone, see you soon, bye bye.